The Fly Racing 15-second board is up. That will quickly go to 5 any moment now. Heads down, revs up. MXGP Race 1 is underway here at Orlyonok. And Prado it is from the centre of the gate. He controls the turn, and Jonas is down in the first corner. A couple of other riders in there as well. But it's KTM 1-2 with Prado and Kai Rowley. And Geiser in there in third, and he bangs bars with Kai Rowley. Febvre in there, Lupino in there, Bottleneck at the bottom of the hill, and into the lead, Tim Geiser at the first time of Askin. Goes from 4th to 3rd, bangs bars with Kai Rowley, goes to the outside, then there's a bobble there from the 61 of Prado, and then he just managed to carve his way up the inside, and that was it.